Do you charge the same shipping and checkout fees no matter how your customer pays? That could be costing you money. If you accept cash on delivery, PayPal, or credit cards, each one comes with its own processing cost. In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom fee to any WooCommerce payment method in under 5 minutes. No code required. Hey, welcome back to the YayPricing YouTube channel, where we make WooCommerce easy for everyone. If you run a WooCommerce store, you already know payment gateways aren't free. Credit cards and PayPal take a cut on every transaction. Cash on delivery has its own handling costs. And if you're absorbing all of that yourself, it's eating into your margin on every single order. The first thing you will be doing is installing and activating the YayPricing plugin. It is a freemium plugin, so the free version can be found in the WordPress plugin repository, while the premium version can be purchased from our official website. For this tutorial, we will be using the premium version of the plugin. Once it's installed and activated, look for the YayPricing menu item in your WordPress sidebar and click it. That opens the YayPricing settings. You can see 3 main options: product pricing, cart discount, checkout fee. From there, we are going to choose checkout fee. Now, it is time to create your first rule. If you click the button, you can see several pre-made campaigns, but we will be creating one from scratch. Hence, we choose the blank template. Next, you need to name your rule. This will be displayed on the checkout page, so give it a name that makes sense. In this case, we will call it Cash on Delivery Fee. After naming it, switch the rule type. You need to choose Add Custom Fee from the drop-down. Now go to the fee section, select the fee type. You can do a fixed fee or a percentage fee. In this case, we will do a fixed fee. The fee value is also added. Here, we will be charging $4.99. Next, move to the Conditions tab and add a new condition. From the condition dropdown, choose the payment method option. You can see all the available payment methods you have on your website. We will be choosing cash on delivery. So, as per the rule, when someone chooses cash on delivery as the payment method, the extra fee will be added to their total checkout value. Save the settings once you are done. Now it is time to test this campaign. Go to your store, add any product to the cart, and open the checkout page. If you switch the payment method to cash on delivery, you can see the extra fee is added to the total amount. If you switch the payment method back to anything else, you can see the fee is no longer applied. So that's how you add custom, gateway-specific fees to your WooCommerce checkout without touching a single line of code. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials, and let me know in the comments, do you charge extra for cash on delivery, or do you eat the cost? I'll see you in the next one.